Hello friends, I have made the second Django app, that is online banking app. In this project, I have used less CSS and Bootstrap to keep it simple and focus on backend more. So see the let's see the app. Let's see the project. Let's go to the web. Let's open the website. When you visit the website, first of all, it will ask you to log in. So if you have username and password, you can log in here, or if you are a new user, click on register here. Let's open the new tab. um, i I have made a new function called display to display all the stored record in the SQL table. So here these are the all the dummy records. So there are currently 12 user registered here. So let's add one more user, naming as name it as when you open a bank account. First of all, you have to deposit some amount in it. So let's deposit some amount like 21,000, and let's give the address as a Pune and submit. When you submit, this will automatically updated in the SQL table. So you can see here the new record is added, sample1, and let's log in using this user. So sample and enter the password. If you enter a wrong password like this, so it will give an error, fail login. Any of these is wrong, that is sample, that is username or password, so it will give an error. Let's enter a correct password. When you click, it will redirect you to the home page of the website. When you click on home page, it will redirect you to home page. That is from here you can navigate through these three options, that is deposit, withdrawal and balance. You can deposit amount here using deposit, on clicking deposit link. You can withdraw your amount using on clicking your withdraw link. And if you want to check your balance, click on the balance link. So I click balance link, so this will show me my balance. So here you cannot change your balance, and if you want to add some money in your balance, so let's deposit some amount. Account number, yeah, here you can see your account number, your balance, initial balance, uh, depositing amount. Let's add some amount, suppose 2000, and deposit it. So it will automatically add the 2000 in the table. Previously the amount is 21,000, and if we refresh the table, the amount is 23,000. It will update it, it has updated in SQL table also. So balance, now we check the balance. So balance is 23,000. Now let's add some more money. Let's add 25,000 now and add. You can see the balance is updated. Now on withdrawal, you can withdraw your money. You can navigate through this navigation bar, or you can also click on the home and From this you can also navigate to withdrawal. So here withdraw some amount. Let's withdraw 40,000. This will show your balance amount and your account number. This, suppose someone got your password and login id, so you can they can steal your amount, or they can transfer the amount from your account to someone else account. So here is a change password option. Click on the change password option. Here you can enter your username, that is sample, your old password 1234. But I have not remember my password. What was my password? So I forget my password and I cannot change here. So click on the login. Here you can see the forget password option. Click on forget password link. Enter your username, that is sample. It will show your password. So this is your password. Copy. You can change your password from this and enter your sample. You enter your username, your password, old password, that is 123455. Update it password. Update the password. Confirm the updated password and submit. This will redirect you to login page. So when you refresh the SQL table, you can see there is password is updated. Now you can login with your updated password.